Right, here we go again. Where do I start? After the fire in the motor, I've decided to replace it with something more beefy. Alright, I've done a complete rebuild because I haven't shown you on video because I didn't film it. My last build, everything was too close together, and this is what happened. Two of the brand new microwave oven transformers started arcing. So what I've done, a complete rebuild, and everything is now spaced far apart to stop the arcing. Instead of my made up high voltage wire, I bought some 30 kV wire, cable, whatever. So, nearly finished. I can't see much is going to go wrong with this one, but who knows, time will tell. I think I got it this time. We'll see. I'll post the video working very soon. All I got to do is connect up the earth somehow, just all the earths together, and I think I'm ready. There you go.